Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Koopa Troopa from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute turtle, let's first start by drawing the mouth area. So I'm going to start with a big curve, almost as if I'm drawing a circle. So I'm going to come right about here and just start with a nice wide curve. Then from there I'm going to bring it down and we're just going to taper it and connect it with a sharp point at the bottom. So I'm just going to keep going, and then I'm going to bring it down to, let's see here, nice and big. So let's say about right here, kind of like my center area. And then I'm going to stop and then do the same thing on this side and connect. There, so nice and sharp at the bottom. Now that we have that in, let's come back right here and draw the nostrils before I forget. So right here, find your center and then go to the left. And we're just going to draw this ovalish shape and then just kind of come in here with a little curve, and then I'll shade this all in. And same thing here. Just find your center, go to the other side. Just want to draw these two little nostrils. There. So now that we have that, we can start with the eyes. So we're going to come to the top. This is my center right here. I'm going to come to the side about right here, touching the mouth area. I'm going to go ahead and just draw this big oval for an eye. And so same thing here. And so now that with these two ovals in, I'm going to come to the top and draw the circle for a highlight on both eyes and shade it all in. And same thing here. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to come back to the center. So find your center in between the eyes and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. From there, I'm going to go around the eye and then come down to about right there. So same thing on this side. Let's go around your eye and come down. So now that we have that, we're going to connect it to the mouth. So I'm just going to bring it down a tiny bit more and connect. Same thing here. And connect. Then from there, we're going to, let's see, we're going to make this thicker. So come up again. And right here, we're just going to follow the curve we created and bring it in. And finish it off. So same thing here. And connect. There. And then from there, let's draw the cheeks. So come back to this point and we're going to pop this part out and taper it all back into the mouth. So nice and round, and then just taper it in. So same thing here. Just like the other side, and taper it in. There. So hopefully that looks like Koopa Troopa so far, and I'm helping you draw it a little bit easier. And so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and tackle the body. So let's come about right here where the mouth is, and we're going to let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop in the neck, so at a little angle, and then I'm going to draw a ring around it. And then let's thicken up this ring. There. And then we need to draw the arm. So I'm going to have the arm in a fist. So right here, touching that ring, we're going to come about here, draw a curve, coming down. And let's thicken up this arm. Bring it down. And then right here, we're going to start the fist. So let's say about right here, we're going to come in. One more. Let's go this way. And then we're going to come around. No, 1, 2, 3 bumps and connect it. And then for the detail, come in here and a curve. And 2 little curves right here. Then we can go ahead and right about here, we're going to draw the shell. I mean the tummy area, sorry. And we're just going to go around our arm. Then from there we need to draw, let's see here. Let's put in the shell first. So the back, we'll put in a line right here. And we're going to bring this down. We're going to pass the hands and then come out. So just kind of like this curve right here. And then from there, the reason I'm drawing this is because right about here, I need to draw the legs. So I'm just going to pop in a curve right here. And then bend it down. And same thing here, bend it down. So then now I know where my legs are. I can go ahead and just finish this curve. So now that I have this in, let's go ahead and connect it. I know it looks a little bit complicated, but it's all going to come together. Just going to go step by step. So let's work on this shoe first. We're going to put a ring around it. And then the shoe. So let's come right here. And we're going to draw a big curve. So kind of like under the hand. Nice and big. And then right here for the heel. And connect. And then for a sole, just thicken it up. And connect. There. Okay, so then now we need to draw the other foot. So like about here. We're going to do the same curve and about the same thickness right there, and then once again connect it with a ring. So whatever space you have. And then let's see here, see the back of this foot. So then right here, once again, just like the other foot, we're going to come right about here. And go ahead, bring it in, and thicken it up. There, so we have our feet in. So it's starting to look, starting to come together, right? So then for the other hand, let's put it about right here. We're gonna go ahead and come out. And then for a thumb, just curve it in, and then fingers. So 1, and another one, just tuck it in there. And then now for finally, we can draw the shell. We can finish it up. So let's say about right here, you're gonna follow that curve you created, bring it out. So say about right here, connect it. And then the shell, so nice and round and big. And we're going to pop it in and put it right in here. And then for some details on this shell, come about right here towards the center. Draw a curve. And then curve it out. Both sides, right there for some details on the shell. And, oh, almost forgot. So right here in the tummy area, we need to draw some curves. One, maybe another one here. And let's see, maybe another one about here. And also a little tail. I'm just going to tuck in a tail right here in that space. And hopefully I've gotten everything, and I've helped you draw Koopa Troopa fun and easy today. I really hope you like how this turned out and that helped you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.